Since joining California Western faculty in 1998, William J. Aceves, he has dedicated 26 years to shaping the minds of countless students. Beyond his exceptional contributions to the legal field, Professor Aceves holds the distinction of being the most consistent donor in the school's history, having made an incredible 450 donations, further demonstrating his unwavering commitment to the California Western community.
Well, my name is William Aceves. I'm a professor of law at California Western School of Law. I also serve as the Chief Roger Trainer Professor of Law. I think I've always been interested in how law treats humanity. And so that motivated me to want to be a lawyer because I realized that lawyers have the ability to have an impact on people's lives in a very positive way. And so then that moved me into my interest in legal education and recognizing that I'd have the ability to also impact the development of individuals who wanted to become lawyers and to also have a positive impact on society. It's deeply meaningful to me to receive this award. What motivates me to work at California Western, what motivates me to contribute to California Western is my belief in this community. This school has been in existence for 100 years, and that means something. It was a reflection of the people that work here. And so for me to be a part of that, I think, is an honor, and it's something that I want to continue to do, whether it's in the classroom, whether it's donating to this institution, whether it's celebrating my colleagues, my students, our alumni. I think it's an important contribution that I want to make, and I feel privileged to be able to make it. I've had an opportunity to work with students in many different capacities. Of course, I've served as a teacher in the classroom, but I've also worked as a faculty advisor to a number of student groups. I've served as the Jessup International Law Moot Court team coach for a number of years, and that is a deeply rewarding experience. Not because our students are successful at the national and international levels, which they are, not because our students win both individual and team awards, which they do, but it's meaningful to me because I have an opportunity to see students develop over the course of the year, to come to believe in themselves and to believe that they're capable of being successful and to compete at the highest levels. I also experienced both privilege and inequality growing up, and so that led me to the law, and that led me both to the civil rights realm, but also to the human rights realm as well. I teach constitutional law. I also am involved in civil rights litigation. I also work with a number of civil rights organizations. I teach human rights law, and I work with a number of human rights organizations, and I litigate human rights cases. And so I think there's a synergy that develops among those projects, and I think that that makes me a better teacher, a better scholar, a better lawyer. I think at this point in my career, I'm starting to pivot. It shouldn't be about me anymore. It should be about my community and the people that I work with. And so I really see my responsibility is to celebrate and uplift the people that I work with and give them the support that I got when I started in my career.